So this time we will be talking about the conditional formatting in Excel starting from the very beginning. So if you are new to Excel and haven't used the conditional formatting tool, so you can start right away from this very video. But first, do not forget to subscribe to SHK Excel World and also click the bell icon so that you get all of the series notifications right away. So this is the file we are using today. You can download it from the link given below in the description. And let us start right away. The foremost thing, whenever you are consolidating a data, is to ensure that your data does not have any duplicates. So this is my summary sheet. Maybe I am preparing the payroll for different months or a summary of payrolls for different months of the year. So I should ensure that one employee is not repeated at all. So I'm going to select all of this list and let us go to the home screen. Let me double click it so that it's up there all the time, and then go to the conditional formatting and go to highlight rules, and here is your duplicate values rule, and click it. And most of the people only know that it only highlights the duplicate values. But wait a minute, we have two options here. We have the duplicate values as well, and we also have the unique values. So if you click on the unique values, you will get all of the unique values highlighted in your list. But for the moment, we want to ensure that the duplicate items are highlighted. So we are going to select this. You can change the formatting if you want to, and click OK. So here are the items which have come more than once. Not only twice, but if it is 3 times, 4 times or more than that. So if it has come more than once, it is highlighted. So this is a very basic conditional formatting, but it is very useful. So let us go to the next exercise, which is question number 2. So we have the revenue of different products for a specific period of time. So let us select all of this list of revenues of different products. Go to home screen, then conditional formatting and highlight rules. No, we're going to select a specific data bar. Let us select one color, which is solid color, and that's it. So what this data bar does is it picks up the highest value in your list, fills it completely, and with respect to its percentage, it is going to fill in all of the remaining items. So the 32,200 is the maximum value in my list, and this may be around 75 to 80% of this 32,000. So it is filled up to that mark and so on. But sometimes we just want to have it filled as per our liking, not with respect to a specific value within the list, because that is not our criteria or the baseline. So we are going to select this complete list again. We are going to go to the conditional formatting and click on the manage rules. So here, whatever the conditional formatting has been applied to your data is shown, and we can modify it. So double click on it or click on it and then click the edit rules button. So here it tells as to what and how the conditional formatting has been applied to your data. So it's automatic and it's based on percentage. We want to convert it to a number. So do it for the both of the ranges, minimum and maximum. So minimum is 0. We know that we do not have any negative value in our list. For the maximum, let us assume that its maximum value is 32,000 and we can have 100,000 as a hypothetical maximum value. We can see from our experience that 100,000 is the maximum revenue we have generated in last, let's say, 5 years. So 100,000 is the maximum value, and click OK and apply and OK. So here we can see that our bar has been rearranged with respect to the new baseline or the new threshold, which is 100,000. So this filling percentage is the percentage of the 100,000.